Hey guys, so I really wanted to show you this little small unboxing. I got this from my cousin for my graduation and I needed to change wallets. So I was opening it up and I wanted to do the video and show you guys how this cute Kate Spade wallet looks. Let me see. Oops, I'm breaking it. Okay. There you go. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I think it's gorgeous. I love this kind of pink color. It kind of matches my nails. I love this pink color. Let's open it up. It's so pretty and it has that type of granite texture, which I really like. So let's take one look. The side. I feel that this one looks like the Victorine wallet, maybe the Victorine. Ooh, and it has an open slit right here. I think the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, obviously it's much more expensive than this one, but I'm still grateful that I was able to get it as a gift, of course. And I really wanted to show you guys how it looks. Let me put this camera there. It looks so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. And it says Kate Spade, New York there. I believe Kate Spade. Ooh, it's so pretty. Let's see. This one says Kate Spade as well, and it came with the tag. This is the Laurel Way Warm Vellum Black. And I guess the style is Christine. I'm not sure how much it was. Like I said, this was a gift. And I'm excited. I could put like business cards in here. And I'm going to put my debit card and stuff like that in this new one, because the one I have is already breaking apart. So I'm gonna end up using this one. I really like it. It's so pretty and it's so convenient because it has this back pocket, and I'm excited for that. I just wanted to make this little quick video for you guys. It's very quick, probably under 5 minutes, but I'm excited and it's so pretty. This beige color looks gorgeous. And yes, so I hope everyone is doing well. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you like small little unboxings like this. Thank you guys. Love you. Have a blessed day. Bye.